Hello everyone, welcome to miniOrange. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up single sign-on between two WordPress sites. Let's start. Log in to your WordPress site, where your users are stored. This site will act as an identity provider. After logging, click on the Plugins tab. Click on Add New button. Search for OAuth Server plugin in the search bar. Now, install the plugin, and click on Activate button to activate the plugin. We have successfully installed the OAuth Server plugin as IDP in the first WordPress site. Log in to your second WordPress site, where you want to perform SSO. This second site will act as service provider. After logging, click on the Plugins tab. Click on Add New button. Search for OAuth Client plugin in the search box. Now, install the plugin, and click on Activate button to activate the plugin. We have successfully installed the OAuth Client plugin as SP on the second WordPress site. Now, go to miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Click on Add New Application button. Now, search for WordPress OAuth Provider application in the search box and click on it. Here, you can see the redirect URL. Keep the redirect URL handy, it will be required later. Click on the Next button. App name is already filled here, just edit the endpoints with your OAuth provider site URL. Click on the Next button. You need to provide the client ID and client secret here. For that, go to the WordPress site where we have installed the OAuth Server plugin. Click on the OAuth Server plugin. Click on the Add Client button. Enter client name as you want. Paste the redirect URL here, which we have copied from the OAuth Client plugin. Click on the Save Client button. After saving your client, you will get the client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste it into the OAuth Client plugin. The scope is already filled. Click on the Next button. Verify your configuration details and click on Finish button. After finishing, you will get attributes name and attribute values on the test configuration table. Now, we will map attribute names provided by OAuth Server with OAuth Client attributes. To map the attributes, click on the Click Here link. It will redirect to the Attribute or Role Mapping tab. Select the attribute from the drop-down and click on Save Settings button. Now, we will set miniOrange OAuth widget wherever you want on your website. Go to Appearance and then Widget section. Click on plus icon. Search for miniOrange OAuth widget in the search box and click on it. You can see the widget is added, just click on Update button. Let's see how it works. Go to your site URL on the private window and you will be able to see the login button with display name you have given. Click on it. Enter your first WordPress site user credentials and click on Login button. Click on Allow. You have successfully logged in. Now you will be able to access your WordPress profile. Thank you for watching this video. For any other questions, drop us a query on info@securify.com.